Hello, Euanne Friends! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm Euanne Hyuna. Another short tutorial video for today, how to remove or how to delete your Google email account on an Android phone or on your smartphone. In just 30 seconds or a minute, you can remove your Google email account on your smartphone. So let's start now. But Euanimous Friends, don't forget to like and share and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Let's be friends! Let's start now.
On your Android phone, go to your Google Apps, click Gmail. Euanimous Friends, from this video, I will show you how to remove my Google email account. So let's proceed. Click the three line, scroll down, click the setting, click the three dot, then click the manage account, click the email address you want to delete, then click remove account. Voila! As you see, my email address already deleted or removed from this Gmail account.
So Euanimous Friends, that's it for today. But don't forget to like and share and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Because you got me and I got you. Just leave the message in the comment box below and I'll be back to you, I promise. Until next video. Bye! I love you! 사랑해!